Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered how to make your designs in Figma just a bit more dynamic with some creative lines, you're in the right place. Today I'll show you how to create a dotted or dashed line in Figma, and yes, it's seriously fast and easy. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to add those dotted and dashed effects to your projects in just a few clicks, giving your wireframes, illustrations, or UI elements that perfect finishing touch. Alright, let's jump straight into it. First, go ahead and open up Figma. If you don't already have a file open, just start a new design file. It doesn't matter what you're working on. The process is the same whether you're creating a new project or adding detail to an existing one. Now, to draw a line, there's a super handy shortcut. Simply press the letter L on your keyboard. It might sound simple, but knowing these keyboard shortcuts can really speed up your workflow in Figma. After you hit L, click and drag anywhere on your canvas to create your line. If you want the line to be perfectly horizontal or vertical, just hold down the Shift key while dragging. This is particularly helpful if you're trying to get that clean, precise look in your design. Once your line is drawn, make sure it's selected. Sometimes, if you accidentally deselect it, just click on the line again to highlight it. You'll see all the line's properties pop up in the right-hand sidebar. This is your control panel for pretty much every adjustment you might want. Look for the section labeled Stroke. This basically controls the way your line looks, everything from color to weight. By default, Figma gives you a solid line, which is great for most cases, but we want to spice things up with a dash or a dot. Here, where the magic happens, just beneath the standard stroke options, you'll notice a little arrow or possibly a link labeled Advanced Stroke Settings. Go ahead and click on that. Don't worry if you don't see a lot of settings yet. Figma nicely tucks away advanced options to keep things simple until you need them. Now, under these advanced options, you'll see where it says Solid. This is the default look. Click on it and you'll see choices for both dashed and dotted lines. Once you select either dashed or dotted, you'll notice your line instantly updates on the canvas. If you pick dashed, you can even adjust the dash and gap size for a more custom look, maybe a long dash with a short gap or small even dashes for a subtle effect. Dotted is great for something playful or non-intrusive, like hinting at a clickable area or emphasizing boundaries in a wireframe. And just like that, you've got yourself a dotted or dashed line. That's it, quick, painless, and makes a world of difference in your design. If you've never played with these stroke effects before, I really recommend experimenting a bit with the settings. Try out different line weights, dash gap combinations, or even colors to see what works best for your project. Don't worry if your first few attempts look a little off, it just takes a bit of tweaking to match your vision. I hope this helped demystify how to create dashed and dotted lines in Figma. If you learned something new, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel out. And if you've got any questions, just drop them in the comments below. I'm always here to help out. For more quick and practical Figma tips, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.